Okay guys, Devil Hunter here, back with another video, but I'm sure you already knew that. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell notification, and share. So we're here with another reaction, another brewstew video. It's math class. My least favorite class when I was in school. For those of you that possibly saw my one Minecraft episode, I deleted that because I'm going to do a test later this week. If any of you actually saw it, you saw that it was lagging majorly at some points and glitching majorly at some points. So I'm going to run a test and see if that happens with normal Minecraft or if it was just the mod. And if it's just the mod, what can I do to fix that? So most likely the next Minecraft episode you'll get from me will be a normal Minecraft episode one, while I figure out this whole mod issue, if it is just the mod. Anyways, onto the video.
Alright, I've had my fair share of psychopath teachers growing up, but I think my 6th grade math teacher takes the cake. He had a little bit of an anger problem, and on the surface you wouldn't see it. If you seen him in public, you'd be like, oh, look at that guy. He likes Pringles and Miller Lite probably, alright. But if you were a stupid kid in his math class, well, you got to see it firsthand, because he hated stupid children, which is unfortunate because he teaches 6th grade math. He's surrounded by stupid children. All it took is one stupid question, and he'd flip his shit. Mr. Roberson, does the percent sign go before or after a number? Anybody else got any stupid fucking questions? Huh? Anybody? I got 29 more bullets here. He was the first teacher I ever heard swear in class, which can be a little jarring the first time you hear it in a school setting. It's the order of operations, Daniel. You can suck my ass if you think subtraction comes before parentheses. What kind of simple bitch are you? Jesus Christ. Like, whoa, wait a minute. Something's not right here. You're a teacher. You're supposed to say happy words. You just had a lot of pent-up frustration. If you could just lay into the occasional kid, just maybe like an uppercut, knock one out every once in a while. But no, this isn't the 1930s, where if a kid gets a wrong answer, you can, like, push a bookshelf on him or something. He'd always intentionally try to find the most nervous kid, too. Make them...
Now, by the way, I did say math was my least favorite subject. That was because even going as far back as preschool, math has always been the one fuckwit subject I have had in my schooling. Now, Blade Elementary and all of middle school and at least 2 years of high school, I would be off and on passing, math class or the math SOL. My junior year was the first time, though it was technically a retake of the math SOL, was the first time I passed the math SOL just a few points above the average score. Back then, it was either the average score or below. In my senior year of high school was the first time I actually passed a math class with an A. Other times I'd be passing it with either a B or a C. But no, senior year was the first A math class pass. But I still hate math.
Them answer problems on the board, just so you can make you look like a babbling idiot in front of the whole class. Hey Billy, why are you sweating so much? You're freaking everybody out. Why don't you tell us what you have for problem 3? 12? Yeah, hi, school nurse. If I have Billy pee in a cup, can you give him a drug test? Because he's obviously smoking crack if he thinks the answer's 12! I'm pretty sure he'd just go home at night, crack open 15 beers, and just drink until he couldn't feel anymore. Honey, dinner's done. I made your favorite. Cigarettes and Xanax. How was work today? Fucking kids can't learn how to add fractions, Sharon. God damn it! And sometimes he wouldn't just spaz out on one kid. Sometimes he'd spaz out in the entire class. Like if we were sitting there and he was trying to teach us a new concept, and we were just not getting it, and he's just looking at our blank faces knowing that not a single goddamn word he's saying sinking in. What the hell is he talking about? This is worse than long division. So one of his favorite things to do is make us copy things out of the math book that we had. All right, little assholes, since you can't comprehend anything.
Copying things out of a math book. Yeah, no, fuck that.
Except your goddamn Pokemon cards. Why don't you get your math books out and copy?
It's Pokemon, not Pokemon.
Pages 4 to 96.
Fuck
so we'd have
that.
to sit there and like sketch the actual page in the math book, like the diagram.
Yet again, fuck that. Copying pages, 2 to 97. That's already fuck no. But copying every tiny detail on the page, I'd rather die.
Diagrams, the page numbers, the fucking copyright information in the front of the book. But I've never seen him as mad as the day he flipped out on my friend Corey. We're sitting there one day, learning how to add fractions or some shit, and Corey's over there fucking off all day in class like he always does, which makes him a prime candidate to be made an example of by Mr. Roberson. Hey Corey, take your dick out of your hand and tell me what answer you have for the problem on the board. Oh man, just add the numerators together, Corey. It's not that hard. Numerators? Which number's the numerator,
Top number.
Corey? The bottom one? Motherfucker! Oh god, he's gonna kill me! It's simple goddamn addition, Corey. There are first graders who can't even wipe their ass proper. I could do this right now. I don't know the answer. Can you wipe your ass properly, Corey? Not really, no. Corey, get your shit and go up to your first grade teacher and see if she'll let you sit in there and learn. Are you serious? Get the fuck out of my classroom! Now, if we all weren't scared shitless, we would have been losing it right now. Because the look on Corey's face was priceless. So sure as shit, Corey marched up to his first grade teacher's class to sit with a bunch of 6-year-olds to learn basic addition and how to wipe your ass properly. Mr. Roberson sent me up here to learn. Oh, and to ask you why you can't do your fucking job right. Now maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit on how psychopathic he was. He didn't shoot anybody with an M16. But if I am, I'm telling you right now, it's not by much. He was a psychopath, and his teaching methods were a little unorthodox, borderline abusive, whatever. But I tell you what, I learned some goddamn mathematics, that's for goddamn sure.
Yeah. First grade. Let's go. One. Fucking God.
Alright, first grade. First grade was a real bitch. It's your first dose of reality as a child. You go from kindergarten, where you're fucking off with Lincoln Logs all day. You got like a ball pit in the classroom and a goddamn twirly slide. Then
brewstew, what kind of first grade did you have? Because I didn't have those three things in my first grade. We had some toys, but not stuff like that.
Bam! First grade. Concentration camp time. You're here to learn.
You're talking about kindergarten. Shit. It's been so long since I've seen this video that I've been preoccupied with other stuff in my personal life that I haven't had time to watch stuff like this. So I was like, wait, what first grade did he have? When he was actually talking about kindergarten. Fuck.
Learn. There ain't no ball pit in this bitch, let me tell you. Remember that nice-ass kindergarten teacher you had that would tie your shoes and feed you vanilla wafers? Well, she's gone. She's dead. We killed her. Now you got this Gestapo, SS, Nazi officer breathing down your neck, teaching you how to do contractions and shit. And that is what her haircut looked like. Bitch looked like a Goomba from Mario. I just wanted to jump on her head, get my 100 points. No more fun, little assholes. Boom, spelling test. We're dealing with words that are more than 4 letters long. Spell the word shouldn't. You don't know what a contraction is? Well, let me give you a hint. It's got an apostrophe in it. What's an apostrophe? None of your goddamn business. That's what it is. Fuck off. Spell the word. Boom, book report on Mortimer the Frog. You write your stupid 4 little sentences on the big-ass lined paper that I gave you. You turn it in tomorrow. Then you get those math tests where they put a time limit on. Here's 50 addition problems. You got 37 seconds to do them. Ready? Go! Yeah, that's a nice dose of anxiety at the ripe old age of 6 years old. Oh, God, I can't do it! Pure misery. That's what first grade was. But you know what saved us from jumping out of a third-story window every day? The fucking reading rainbow. Every day, the teacher would wheel that stupid little TV out on the cart. Butterfly in the sky, I can fly twice as high.
And I did used to watch Reading Rainbow, and boy, did I love that TV show.
Oh, thank God. Everybody's wiping the blood off their face from getting their ass beat by Gestapo SS. Thank God. Thank God for LeVar Burton, that beautiful bastard. It was a goddamn TV show where kids would just review books that they've read. Just stick a kid in front of the camera. You see this shit? This is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. It's a captivating tale where this fat fuck caterpillar goes around and eats everybody's shit. He just keeps getting fatter and fatter. You're eating your fat ass to death, caterpillar. You got the type 2 now. We gotta cut off like 9 of your feet. And does he get punished at the end of the book? No, the motherfucker just gets prettier. Hungry Caterpillar, Eric Carle, check it out. A reading rainbow, reading rainbow. Hit that high note at the end. If you're watching at home, your dog's fucking head would explode. Reading rainbow.
I'll see all of you in the